Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this analyze of these games here. In this one, the title is Kids versus Stars. So it means these are the star is meaning from the celebrities from this one. And also kids is very or maybe childhood or maybe kids here from this one. So in this one episode 4, so I will choose this analyze games here. So also have a grandmaster from this USA is Daniel Naroditsky versus international master from USA is Alice Lee. So it means 15 years old or maybe teenager from this one. So in this part of this video, in this episode 4 from this kids versus star, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this one. So white plays Naroditsky is e4, c5 Lee Sicilian defense, knight f3, knight c6, and also bishop c4. It's called Sicilian defense, old Sicilian variation from this one. So no, so it means the main line here is also used by d4, or maybe if you capture this one, or maybe if you knight here, or maybe if you capture this one, or maybe without captured from this one. So it means main line here from this one, and move by bishop c4 here from this one, and also knight f6, and and also knight f6 here is threat by e4 here, and also d3. So for example, why don't we push by e5 here from this one? So it means without threat, or maybe without threatening here by knights here, and also knight g4. So if you bishop captured sacrifice by check here from this one, and also king takes sacrifice bishop, and also knight g5 check if you move by force king here, and also if you capture this queen takes knight, or if you capture this one without threatening here by queen. So it means develops here, and also queen f5 with a threat knights, or maybe with a threatening by mating knights here from this one, and also defense by d6. So it means with a threatening here by queen, so it means, or maybe move backwards queen f4. So it means simple as that, develops here from this one here. So back there is d3 without defense by e4, or maybe with a stopping with a capture this one. So it is develops here from this one, and also e6. So it means without upcoming move by d5 threat by bishop here, and also castle, and also a6. So it means without coming without b5 threatening bishops here, and also c3. So it means c3 here, so it means without develops here with a move by here by d4 without push. So it means develops here from this one, and also d5 with a threat by bishops here captured, and also captured this d5. Why? So it means if you threat by bishops here, or maybe here without might attempt by move by rook here without connecting by check here from this one, and also backwards bishop b3 here from this one, and also bishop e7 upcoming this castle king side here without castle king side by Lee from this one, and also bishop g5. So it means bishop g5 is novelty by games by Daniel Naroditsky from this one. So it means the old main line here, so it means the last year of this chess games of this tournament here is used by d4. So it means develops here from this one, or maybe without connecting by controls by also old main lines and good novelty here from this one. So back novelty is bishop g5 without threat by knights here, or maybe connecting by captured here from this one, and also castle king side by Alice Lee, and also knight bd2. So it means without move by developed by Daniel Naroditsky, and also h6 without threat by bishop, and also bishop backwards h4. So it means if you capture this one, if you capture by bishop takes knights here, or maybe without capture without connecting by without captured attacking this one. So it means develops here, or maybe bishop fh4 by backwards by Naroditsky, and also bishop f5 So it means without threat by d3, or maybe without threatening by pawns here if I'm connecting here. And also bishop c2 without defense, protects by pawn. And also b5. Oh my god, so it means without triple by pawn, so it means without triple, or maybe without triple pawns here from this one. And also rook e1, and also rook a7, so it means rook a7 here without develops. And also d4, so it means nice good decisions by Naroditsky, or maybe without connects without capture this bishop, or maybe without kept I mean captured from this one here. And also bishop takes captured, queen takes bishop, and also capture, so it means opening here, or maybe without threat by knights, without opening from this captured here from this one. And also queen b6 without defense by knights here. And also queen d3, knight b4 with a threat by, or maybe with a threat by attacking these queens from this one. And also move by queen f5 without move by 3 moves here, so it means bad move by Naroditsky from this question mark. So the best moves there is queen b3, so it means without the continuations from this one, without develops here. So back there is queen f5, and also good move is g6. So it means good move by Alice Lee from this one with a threat by queens here. And also queen backwards b1. Another good move again is rook c8. Another good move by Lee, or maybe without without use by move by c2, or maybe without double by rook, or maybe without double here from this one. So it is double by rook here, or maybe controls by connecting from this move here. And also queen d1, so it means double question mark blunderacious. Blunderacious by Naroditsky. So the best moves there is rook e2. So it means rook e2. If you move by here knight c2 with a threat by rooks here, and also move by sacrifice by knight c4, or maybe with a threat here by queen. So it means if you capture this one, pawn takes knights here, and also queen takes knight. So it means develops here from this one, or maybe continuations by connecting by this one by queen. So back there is queen d1 without blunderacious, and also rook a c7 without battery, so it means an incorrect move by Alice Lee. So the best moves there is knight d3 here. So it means knight d3 are best moves. So it means if you threat by rooks here from this one, or maybe with a move here by rook e2, or maybe ready from this capture by pawn. So it means develops here from this one. So back there is rook a c7, and also bishop g3 with a threat by target by rooks here without connecting by captures here from this one. And also another good move again is bishop d6, so it means without bishop to bishop. So it means nice good decisions by Lee from this one. So it means one from this one in this developed. And also bishop takes captured, queen takes bishop, and rook b1. Oh my god, still if you captured, so it means if you capture this, knight takes pawn, or maybe without develops. So it means knight takes captured, so it means develops here. Or maybe so it means without double, so it means rook here, or maybe with the moves here by sacrifice. Oh, sacrifice, so it means double, so it means double by rooks, and so it means rook and queen, so maybe develops here. And also queen b3, so it means queen b3 is another bad move by Naroditsky, so it means bad move here from this one. So it means bad move. So bad move by Naroditsky from this one. So it means the best moves there is knight b3 here. So it means knight b3. So it means bad. So it means good best moves here from this one. So it means another bad move by queen b3 here from this one, so it means Narodisky here. And also knight c1, so it means without threat by here, or maybe you threat by queens here from this one. And also queen d1. So for example, why don't we move by rook takes knight, or maybe with a rook captured here, or maybe without, if you capture this one, or check, or maybe without check here, so it means check, or maybe move here is knight, knight that one, or maybe without queen, or queen knights and, or queen knights and rooks here, or maybe with queen by double knights, so it means wins for blacks here from this one. So queen d1 are moved by Narodisky, and also knight d3 with a threat by rook, or maybe with a threatening by rooks here from this one, and also rook f1, and also knight f4, so it means develops here by Alice Lee here from this one, and also knight e5, queen b4, so it means queen b4 here, or maybe with a threatening by d4, or maybe with a threat by pawns here from this one, and also knight b3 with a defense by d4 here, and also rook c2, or maybe with a without double by rooks here from this one, and also knight c5, or so it means if you move here, so it means if you move by rook c2, or maybe without connecting by move by lock by move here, so it means lock by move here from this one, and also knight c5 lock here from this one, moved by Narodisky, and also rook d2, so it means rook d2 with a threat by queens here, and also queen f3, and also capture this pawn, so it means develops here, so it may so maybe with a captured by here by Alice Lee here from this one, and also knight c d3 with a threat, or maybe with a threat by queens here, or maybe with a threat target by attacking this queen, and also knight takes captured, knight takes captured, so it means develops here from this one, so it means control by without move here from this one, and also queen d6, and also g3, so it means g3 by, so it means good decisions by Narodisky here, and also king g7, rook b rook bd1, so it means develops here from this one, so it means moved by controls, and also rook c2 without target, or maybe moved by strongest move by Alice Lee here from this one, and also knight f4, so it means knight f4 is, so it means without rook to rook, or maybe without rook to rook here from this one, so it means captured already, or maybe not yet captured by rook to rooks here, and also queen c5. So why don't we capture this rook takes capture, or maybe if you capture this rook, or maybe without develops here from this one, if you capture this rook, or maybe rook takes pawn, or maybe without examples by move here, so back there is queen c5 here, or maybe with a double by queens and rooks here, and also rook a1, so it means without threat by a6 here by pawns, so it means without threat here, and also rook a4, oh my god, rook to rook again, and also rook a e1 avoided here by Narodisky, and also knight e4, and also b4, so it means sacrifice, or maybe sacrifice by Narodisky, or maybe with a threat or queen, so it is threatening queens here, and also rook takes b4 sacrifice here, and also king g2, rook d4, so it means rook d4 here, and also rook e2, rook takes captured, queen takes rook, rook d2 without threat by queen, and also queen e1, queen d4, or maybe without triple here, or maybe without attacking this one, or maybe with a threat, or maybe without threatening here, or threat by triples here from this one, and also knight e2, queen b2. So it means queen b2. So it means without double here. And also knight f4, a5. Oh my god, still connecting here from this one without push here, or maybe push by promotes here, or maybe without develops. And also queen e3, e3. So it means queen e3, a4 pushes. So it means ready upcoming by push a3, and also queen a7. Queen a7. So it means queen a7. So it means continue my move here from this queen a7. So it means next shot here. So it means what is thinking by new brilliant move by Alice Lee from this one. So while waiting for a couple more seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is rook takes captured check. So it means sacrificed by Alice Lee. And also rook takes f2, queen takes rook check, and also queen takes f2, knight takes f2. So it means, so knight here, so it means white or maybe blacks here from knights here from this one. And also knight takes captured, or maybe with a move by c3 by knights, or maybe with a threat here. So it means without threatening here from this one. And also a3, knight b4. So it means without stopping control by move by connecting by a2 pushes here from this one. And also knight d3 sacrifice. If you capture this one by knight c, or maybe move by push by a2, or maybe without promote by queens here from this one. And also knight c2 with a threat by a3 by pawn, and also a2. So it means a2 upcoming by, or maybe with a move here by push b4, or maybe b3 by pawns here. And also king f1. So it means without force, or maybe with a move here without force here from this one by king. And also b4. Oh my god, still upcoming here without b3 threat by knights here. And also knight a1. So it means knight a1. And also last shot is knight c1. So it means end of this battle here. So it means resigned by GM Daniel Naroditsky in USA. So it means what a great shot by winning by International Master Alice Lee in USA. So it means the kids versus star here by players. So it means these are the GM Daniel Naroditsky. So it means, so the four players here is I am Alice Lee, and FIDE Master Tani Adingumi, International Master Aaron Mendez, and woman FIDE Master is Budhana Sivananda. So it means these are the four players from kids and one player from the stars here from this one. So it means these are the four kids and one stars here. So it means the winner of this one is Alice Lee. So it means wins from this one, and also Aaron Mendez is draw again. And also Tani Adiwumi is losing by game. So it means winning by Daniel Naroditsky. And also, so it means Budhana Sivanandan, so it means lose by game. So it means winning by the Daniel Naroditsky. So it means the win is Daniel Naroditsky from this one. So it means star is winning from this one. So the winner is star is Daniel Naroditsky. So it means it's okay. It's okay from this one. So it means winning from this. I am Alice Lee from this one. So I hope that this part of this video here from this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and adios.